Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I want to show you how to change time zone in Outlook. So for this you have to go first on your Outlook, then go to settings over here, you can see. So go for it, and now you have to go for general. So when you are in this page, you can see date format here and language and time format. After that, after all these things, you can see time zone. You can go for change, and you can see this is my default settings. You can go for this drop down section, and you can select which you wanna select. Okay, now you can search here to your city. So I'll search here Dhaka also, and you can see these are already in here. Okay, so after that you have to go for save. So it's done. So guys, this is how you can change time zone in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.